In manufacturing, how fast you get your parts doesn't matter if you lose precision, especially with metal stampings and fabrications. To truly help a client, my job is to understand the reality of your supply chain. And that's exactly why I'm bringing my years of sales experience to the leadership team at Dayton Rogers here in Arlington, Texas. Hi, I'm Brad Moore, and I joined Dayton Rogers because I wanted to be on a team of thinkers. In fact, Dayton Rogers pioneered the short-run metal stamping process almost a century ago, and they were the ones that literally set the standard for short-run stamping and prototyping. And over the years, Dayton Rogers evolved into a complete contract manufacturing partner for metal components like a simple metal bracket to a complicated stamped assembly like these seatbelt components. Or maybe you need a laser cut and fabricated sheet metal enclosure finished with our in-house powder coating. Either way, we control the quality and delivery from start to finish. So when you're looking for a new supplier, remember it's about the process, precision, and delivery, not just the lowest price. I'm Brad, and I'll always deliver more.